there, Christine from Microsoft here. Today I'll show you how to use Copilot in OneNote to create a checklist for your next camping trip. Open OneNote and click the Copilot icon. Type a prompt like, create a camping checklist for my upcoming trip to Yosemite. Copilot creates a detailed checklist organized by categories like gear, food, and clothing in seconds. If you really want to be prepared, share more details about your trip and Copilot can help you customize your list even further. I'm going to tell Copilot to make sure the list is tailored to a trip in the springtime, and Copilot will rewrite the list with the season in mind. Want to make it even more helpful? Just ask Copilot to turn this into a OneNote-ready table with checkboxes. Copilot formats the list as an interactive checklist so you can tick items off as you pack. And that's it! Like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next.